How to fix a network error has occurred in Google Sheets. Now, first of all, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now, refresh the Google Sheets page. Now, click for refresh button or press F5 on your keyboard. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. So go to your browser settings, find clear browsing data, and select clear or cache and cookies. After that, try using Google Sheets in a different browser. So open Chrome, Firefox, or Edge to see if the problem continues. Now, disable browser extension. So some extension can cause problems. Turn them off and try again. Now restart your device, turn off your phone or computer, then turn it on again. Now check Google Service Studios. So visit the Google Workspace Studios dashboard to see if there is a problem with Google Sheets. Now, if the error still happens, visit Google Sheets offline and go to Google Drive settings and enable offline mode. Finally, contact Google support if none of these steps works. And this is how to fix a network error has occurred in Google Sheets. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.